Welcome back to FlowSense, your go-to bakery ERP solution. Here you'll find your personalized login screen where you can easily access your account using your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you can get back to crafting delicious baked goods without any hassle. As you enter the dashboard, you'll see a summary of your daily operations. The interface highlights important notifications such as low stock items and pending purchase orders, ensuring you stay on top of your bakery's needs. This comprehensive overview helps you manage your bakery efficiently, allowing you to focus on what you do best: baking. In the vendors section, you can easily manage your relationships with suppliers. Here you can view total vendors, outstanding amounts, and any complaints that need addressing. Adding new vendors is straightforward, streamlining the procurement process for your bakery. The purchase orders screen provides a complete view of all your orders, including their status and next actions. You can track drafts, submitted orders, and received items, making it simple to manage your inventory effectively. With just a click, you can create new purchase orders to replenish your stock. In the invoices section, you can keep track of all financial transactions related to your bakery. This screen displays a detailed list of invoices, their amounts, statuses, and any outstanding payments. Staying organized with your invoices helps maintain a healthy cash flow for your business. The inventory screen gives you a clear view of your stock levels across various categories. You can see how much stock is in cold storage, dry storage, and finished goods at a glance. This information is vital for preventing shortages and ensuring you always have what you need to bake. In the stock audit section, you can manage and track physical stock reconciliations. This screen allows you to see the status of various audits and any discrepancies that need resolving. Regular audits ensure your stock levels are accurate, preventing loss and waste. The wastage log is an essential tool for tracking and minimizing food waste in your bakery. By logging any expired or damaged items, you can analyze trends and take steps to reduce wastage in the future. This feature supports sustainability efforts and improves your bottom line. The recipes section showcases a variety of baked goods you can create. You can view existing recipes and easily add new ones, categorizing them by type such as bread, pastry, or cake. This organized approach helps streamline your baking process and inspires creativity in the kitchen. In the production section, you can manage all your baking batches efficiently. This screen allows you to track planned, in progress, completed, and cancelled batches. Staying organized with production helps ensure timely deliveries and satisfied customers. The quality control screen provides critical insights into your bakery's standards. Here you can see inspection results, pass rates, and any issues that need addressing. Maintaining high quality standards is essential for customer satisfaction and repeat business. The label designer allows you to create custom labels for your baked goods. You can select production batches and input product information for a professional look. This feature enhances branding and provides essential information to your customers. In the POS section, you can process sales transactions seamlessly. The interface allows you to add products to the cart and manage payments efficiently. A smooth checkout experience is crucial for customer satisfaction. The transactions section provides a detailed overview of your sales history. You can filter transactions by various statuses, making it easy to track sales and refunds. Understanding your sales data helps you make informed business decisions. The refunds section simplifies the process of handling returns. You can easily search for completed sales to process refunds, ensuring that customer satisfaction is prioritized. A straightforward refund process builds trust with your clients. The till history screen tracks your cash flow and till sessions. You can view open and closed tills, along with any discrepancies that may need addressing. This feature helps you maintain financial accuracy and accountability in your bakery. The reports and analytics screen offers powerful insights into your bakery's performance. You can generate reports on various aspects, including production summary and stock reports. Analyzing this data helps you identify trends and optimize operations. In the GST reports section, you can manage your tax obligations efficiently. This screen allows you to generate reports for your GST submissions, ensuring compliance with regulations. Staying organized with your taxes simplifies the financial side of your bakery. The final screen highlights FlowSense's capabilities as an industry-specific ERP for manufacturing excellence. To see how this software can transform your bakery operations, schedule a personalized demo today and unlock the potential of your bakery.